invoicing and proposal apps for accountants and professional in service industries na pwede mong gamitin as a freelancer or pwede mong i-recommend sa clients mo. Eto, papakita ko sa'yo. Sell, bill, get paid. So, yung pangalan ng app is Ignition, and it can send proposal, send invoices, collect payment, you can automate billing, and track revenue. So, pumunta lang kayo sa ignitionapp.com. Next one is for professional branded proposal from conversion to close. Proposify. Hindi ko alam kung Proposify nga pala. May free trial din yan. And then, dito is meron na siyang kasamang template. So, ito yung mga business proposal templates. And then, ito is best of for industry like agencies and consulting, IT and software, landscaping and janitorial, constructions and restoration, sales, marketing, and IT operations. So, kung yung client nyo is nandito sa industry na to, pwede nyo i-recommend itong Proposify. So, that's that, guys. Sana nakatulong sa inyo, and let me know kung ni-recommend nyo ba sa client nyo or kayo mismo yung gagamit ng mga apps na nabanggit ko.